Hey everyone, I'm Britta Plug. I'm a holistic esthetician and beauty educator, and this year on Halloween we have a full moon in Taurus, so let's use that energy for a nourishing, grounding facial at home. So the first step you're going to want to do is double cleanse. For the first cleanse, I'm going to use an oil cleanser, giving the face a nice massage with the oil cleanser, focusing on any areas where you have more blackheads or congestion. Next, I'm going to use my hot washcloth to remove the oil cleanser. And if you have sensitive skin, always make sure to dial down the temperature on your cleansing water. Next, I'm going to use a gentle foaming cleanser for my second cleanse. And go ahead and rinse everything off. Next, go ahead and apply your sheet mask. Alright, now I'm gonna go relax with my creepy sheet mask. And I'm just gonna finish it off by sealing in all of the hydration from my sheet mask with some moisturizing balm. A little eye serum. And lips. I hope your facial has added a little extra magic, nourishment, and grounding to your evening. Happy Halloween!